Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches y bienvenidos a todos a la clase de español. Yo soy el señor Henderson and I will be your child's Spanish teacher this year. My full name is Nathan David Henderson. I have 8 years of experience as a teacher here in Stripling. This is my 8th year. I cannot believe that. Couple things I like to do. I like to travel, I like music, and I like to spend time with my family. And I look forward to having you or your child in my class. So I teach 2 different Spanish classes. The first one is this one right here, which is Spanish 1A and 1B. And then I'll teach Spanish. I also teach Spanish 1 through 4 for Spanish speakers. What you need to know about both of these classes, if you're listening to this video, you're probably here. If your child is taking Spanish 1A, they will be with me this year and probably with Ms. Cruz next year. Spanish is a 2-year class, and they will be getting one of their 2 language credits they need for high school. So Spanish is a more advanced class, and that's why often we're going to be doing a lot more work than doing a lot more than your child maybe would do in other classes. So, yep, high school class, it's 2 years, 7th and 8th grade, and they will get 1 high school credit. So what are we going to be learning about in this class? That's a great question. I'm going to be working with them in their ortografía, vocabulario, escritura, which is basically how they write words, their vocabulary, and their writing. And this, of course, all is in Spanish in general. We're going to really be focusing on conversaciones, how to have a conversation in Spanish. I broke my heart, but I know there are a lot of cases where a child sits through a Spanish class for 4 years and leaves and can't speak or say or know anything about the language. It's always been my personal goal as a teacher to not let that happen. When they get to Spanish 2 in high school, that should be the easiest class they ever take because I'm crazy, and I'll make sure they're very prepared for it. There's also a cultural element in this class where we are going to look at, learn, compare, and contrast Latin American culture and then Spanish culture with our own American culture. So as far as school supplies go, if they are continuing with online learning, they're going to need a notebook or something to keep their notes in. If they're coming back to in-person classes, or when they do, they're going to need a folder, una carpeta, a folder. They should know already, I've said this 1,000 times, that they need a folder and what color their folder should be. It shouldn't just be any color. I have the specific colors right here. So if they are in 5th period, they will need a green folder. If they're in 1st period, they will need a blue folder, and so on and so forth. Okay? I know that was a quick video, my friends. I just want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Welcome to Spanish class. I look forward to having you and your child in my class this year. If you ever need to get in touch with me, ask me a question, have a complaint, the best way to get in touch with me is through email, always. This is my email address here, nathan.henderson@fwist.org. These emails come to me like a text message, and as long as I have my phone on me, I will be able to respond to you very quickly. So if you need to reach out for anything, please do not hesitate to do so. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Adios.